That job's at 75 here. Just trying to get my mind off certain things, and went out and spent some money today, and went to a local card show, and I got a few boxes that I'm going to break for you tonight. The first one we'll do is the Donruss Optic 2017-2018 basketball fast break. It was not that much. It was $70 for the box, but it's 20 packs, 8 exclusive fast break parallels, 5 cards per pack, 18 packs per box. It's 2017-2018. We'll get into the essentials and Dominion in later videos, but for now we'll go over these guys. Hopefully we'll get a nice Jason Tatum model. That would be very nice. And dying to get like a gold Tatum or a gold Donovan Mitchell. Nice $5,000 card. But no luck yet. And these are retail, not hobby. As you saw, Giannis Antetokounmpo or whatever, the Greek Freak on the cover. Got a fast break Lonzo Ball, the rookies right off the bat. That's pretty cool. Not bad. It's a nice carry right there. Carmelo Anthony All-Star. John Wall, Kemba Walker, and Marc Gasol. Just like the Prism, there's 5 cards per pack on these fast breaks. It's pretty good value for what you pay for them. And if you do get one of the gold rare cards, it retains just as much value if you get a nice auto too. It's a fast break Prism auto. You get the rated rookies in pretty much every pack. Look at that, you get 2 right there. De'Aaron Fox, Justin Patton. Not bad at all right there. And then a fast break of Kyle Lowry. Whoa, was that an orange? That was an orange to 199. Well, for some reason he's 193, which is odd. It's usually to 199. I don't know why they do that randomly sometimes. J.B. Smith and Jamal Crawford. Rated rookie of Frank Jackson. It's a base. The only thing I don't like is sometimes right out of the factory they have a little curve to them, these cards. You get a base fast break Prism of Justice Winslow, Stanley Johnson, and Taurean Prince. They are sharp cards, the Donruss Optic, this year. I like them a lot. I'd say for the basketball, my favorite is probably Prism and the Optic. I got our first cement pack here. Apparently I'm afraid to take the razor to this pack. I don't want to cut the cards. What the hell? Thought I slid it twice. Guess not. Anyways. I'll get a Prism. It's an all clear for takeoff Kevin Durant. And Wilt Chamberlain Retro Series. Those are really nice inserts, the Retro Series. I like the color of the front and back. Patrick Beverley and Dwight Howard. All of a sudden, these things are getting impossible to open. Surprised. Darius Thomas rated rookie base. Tell you as the champ is here, Sean Marion. Willie Hernan Gomez. 4 packs away from the halfway point. Tony Bradley, that's the wrong Utah Jazz. Hopefully this fast break is of a Donovan Mitchell or Jason Tatum. That'd be really cool. And of course, it's a scrub like Ante Zizic. Great. At least it was a rated rookie fast break. Rodney Hood. A garbage. I want to get like a nice fast break prism of Tatum on the auto or Donovan Mitchell. Lonzo Ball, Kyle Kuzma, even Josh Jackson would have been nice. All-Stars. Gordon Hayward. He's injured. Hopefully he'll be good next year. So key. Looks like another fast break rated rookie and a blue to boot. Markieff Morris, Derek White. Could have been someone better, but whatever. Numbered to 50, 42 of 50. So that's cool. At least it was a rated rookie. Another Prism fast break. Not bad. There's a base Derek White. It's all of the scrubs, but Zulki. Courtney Lee. I mean, it's probably not a scrub. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, it's a scrub to me. If it's not Tatum or Mitchell or Ball or Kuzma. Halfway point. Hopefully we get a good auto. Hope I didn't just jinx myself. Jonathan Isaac. Johnson. LeBron James. Fast break. King LeBron. Too bad he wasn't really the king this year. Golden State smacked him. Swept his ass. Sorry, you know Jordan, LeBron. I don't care what anyone says. He's a good player, don't get me wrong, but he is no Michael Jordan. Kyle Kuzma. Alright, let's go. Oh, I hit that auto. Be nice if there were 2 autos in these. There we go. Too bad it wasn't a prism. Still nice, even though it's base. Glad to get him in a box. Champ is here, Kyrie Irving. It's pretty cool. Kristaps Porzingis and Oladipo. Dylan Brooks, rated rookie. Rudy Gobert. Damian Lillard. Fast break. Oh. I think this might be the autograph. Could be wrong. Nope, maybe not. Ike Anagabugo. Rated rookie. Switchful thinking, Devin Booker, the Suns. All-Stars, Kobe Bryant. That was a fast break for Swiftful Thinking. Kobe Bryant All-Stars, not bad at all. Kevin Love, Jabari Parker with no in-game photo there. Oh, what? Who? What kind of autograph is this garbage? Corey Maggette? I have no idea who the hell he is. Garbage. Fast break garbage. That autograph sucked, and this one, the 155. Oh, man. I tell you, the autos suck in these fast breaks. I haven't gotten a good one. Sorry, got a phone call. Should have put that on airplane mode. I love this one. Again, the problem is when you record with your phone. Chris Dunn. Gordon Hayward. Last two packs here. Lonzo Ball base. Not bad. Got a Kuzma ball and a Tatum, DeAndre Jordan prism. Wish that Tatum was a prism. That would have been nice. But I'll still take it. The rookies, Tatum, the Kyrie Irving. Wow. Nice Celtics pack right here. But that's a nice rookies. Tatum. Those inserts are rare. And Kyrie Irving. Not a bad pack there. Ended it out a little bit good. Benjamin Simmons. Did I leave that? Okay. Rated rookie of Wayne Selden. It's a base rated rookie. Swiftful Thinking of Klay Thompson. Neil Monday and Tim Hardaway Jr. Alright. So that wraps it up, guys. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Have a good evening.